be cold outside. My family's thinking about summer. Come on, let's go! Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how an average family of 5 need to use mass, volume, and length, and density to help them buy the right pool for their family. To measure mass, we would use an electric scale. After each person steps on the electric scale, you have to recalibrate the scale. After everyone steps on it, you add all of them up. Then get a pool that has a bigger weight limit than all of their combined weights. We are measuring mass to see how heavy the family is, so the family doesn't damage the pool. After measuring, we have come to see that the dad weighs 81.6 kilograms, the mom weighs 59 kilograms, the older brother weighs 63.5 kilograms, the younger brother weighs 40.8 kilograms, and the sister weighs 47.6 kilograms. All of their combined weights is 292.5 kilograms, so they would have to get a pool with the bigger weight limit than 300 kilograms. The units I would use would be kilograms, because it's the biggest metric mass unit. For volume, we need to find out how many liters the family would need to fill up the pool. The tool I would use is a beaker. In this case, we are using a 3.5 liter beaker. With a 3.5 liter beaker, you would have to find out how many 3.5 liters can fit into your size pool. This is important to find out because some people get their water delivered for their pool. The unit I would use is liters. I would use liters because it is the base unit of measurement for volume in the metric unit. We would use a meter stick to measure length. What you do is you measure 1 meter, then put a mark, then another until you get to the end. Then you measure your yard to make sure you have enough room for the pool. We are measuring length to know how long the pool is, so we know where and if it'll fit, and to make sure it's a good size for my family. I would use meters because they aren't huge and they aren't small, and they are the base unit of measurement for length in the metric unit. For density, I would use a beaker to find the volume, and for the mass and weight, I would use an electric scale. We would use these because if you do it right, you will successfully be able to find the density. We are measuring this to see what the density of the water is after the chlorine is added, just so we know if the chlorine will float to the top. And if it does, that isn't good because you want the chlorine to be spread out throughout the pool. The unit I would use for density is grams divided by milliliters or mass divided by volume, because it is the most common unit for density. In final conclusion, my family has come to decide that the right size pool for us is 7.32 meters around, because it is really big and it can fit all of us inside of it comfortably. It is 51,500 liter pool, and when we are using the 3.5 liter beaker, it would take 14,714.2 of those beakers to fill it up. Now that we have our pool, I can't wait for summer to come around.